Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in household solutions. Today, we're tackling a persistent problem for many homeowners: roaches. But fear not, because we've got the ultimate solution: Combat Max 12-month roach killing bait. Let me tell you, folks, if you're dealing with a roach infestation, this is the product you need. Combat Max 12-month roach killing bait is hands down the best roach killer bait available in the market. What makes this product stand out? Well, let's dive into the details. First off, it features a quick kill formula that starts working as soon as roaches feed on the bait. That means you'll see results fast, getting rid of those pesky critters in no time. But it doesn't stop there. Combat Max doesn't just kill the roaches you see, it eliminates the entire nest. Roaches take the bait back to their nest, where it spreads, taking out other roaches and destroying the source of the infestation. Plus, these bait stations are child-resistant, so you can rest easy knowing they're safe to use around your family. And with continuous maximum roach control for up to 12 months, you can enjoy long-lasting protection for your home. And the best part? Combat Max Roach Killing Bait is ready to use right out of the box. There's no mess, no vapor, no fumes, and no odor. Just simple, effective roach control. You can use these bait stations throughout your home. Place them wherever roaches are seen, near doors and windows, along baseboards, near pet food storage, and inside cabinets and drawers. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. With results like that, it's no wonder Combat Max 12-month roach killing bait is flying off the shelves. So if you're ready to say goodbye to roaches for good, do yourself a favor and pick up Combat Max Roach Killing Bait today. Your home will thank you.